गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। वैसे ये है मेरा मूविंग डायरीज एंड आज है हमारा मूविंग इन डे। तो ट्रक हमारा बिल्डिंग में ऑलरेडी आके खड़ा हो चुका है। Just waiting for our people to enter the society so that we can start the move. आज बहुत ही ज़्यादा chaotic रहने वाला है. It's going to be super duper chaotic. Welcome to my home. This is the entryway and this is the living room cum dining area. Can you see the aesthetics? It's all white. Can you imagine? I got what I wanted. This is the open kitchen that I'm talking about. Hi Rabba, मुझे बड़ा ही डर लग रहा है. पता नहीं how will we manage? It's our first time. Nonetheless, जो भी है manage कर ही लेंगे. This is a dry area, which is a great thing to have, especially in a 2 BHK. It's very helpful. We also had this in our Mumbai home. Oh my God, can you see the windows? Oh my God, I'm just in love with the light that comes into this house. These are 2 bedrooms, and when I was coming to see this house, it didn't look so big. मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा छोटा लग रहा था. But to my surprise, when we started settling in, it was pretty good. And can you see the aesthetics? Oh my God, it is amazing. Every room has amazing light. This is the master bedroom. It is black and white, and that is something Ankur and myself really like. We are very happy, and it's a decent size, let me tell you. And the balcony is a bingo. And this is the bathroom. As you can see, it's a good size and it's really done pretty well. I'm pretty surprised, and if you've seen my previous video, you will know what exactly I mean by this. So it was a fab bathroom, just the way we wanted. So we were hoping to do this over the weekend, but most societies do not allow you to do any work on Sunday, and ours was exactly the same. So we had to wait for a day, hold the truck outside in Bangalore, and we are going to be doing the moving in today on a Monday. So Ankur has to rush back to work. I have a lot of meetings that I need to take, but I think we are going to try and wrap this up by 3 so that we can get back to work. And obviously the setting in is going to take some time. It's not going to be so easy. It's a new city and there are going to be lots of things. Of course, this house is way smaller than Gurgaon, and we were hoping to get something smaller because we wanted a little less maintenance, because in rental houses the maintenance is a little high because there are a lot of things that you want to do as per you, so you get a lot of things organized and it's easier to maintain because both of us are really busy when it comes to work, and there's only that much time that we can give. But nonetheless, it's an open kitchen for the first time. I have never had an open kitchen in all these years, not with my mom and dad's house, not ever since we have been together. I mean, I'm a little worried about this open kitchen situation, but I think we'll sail through and it all looks good. Well, the weather of Bangalore is amazing. As you can see, my skin is glowing without doing anything, and that's what I love about pleasant and cold weather. I'm really looking excited to this Bangalore journey, but I'm a little nervous too. Ooh, okay, let's wait for the boys to come in so we can start. It all looks positive so far, but I think we'll settle in and then we'll know how it's going, what is happening, and all of that. We are going to go and follow and see where Ankur is. इसका तो काम कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होता है. ये देखो, he's working. He's waiting for the boys, but his work doesn't stop. So ये L sofa, they are trying to figure out कि इसको करना कैसे है. Like you know, the main boys ditched us, so here we are, and the rest of the house is a mess. Let's see when are we able to complete.
2,000 years later.
Finally, I am back at the house after 2 days. I wasn't feeling well and I really had a lot of deadlines that I had to meet, which is why I had to take this break. As you can see, my house is still a mess. Ankur and me have still not had the opportunity to like set up the house, which we will do. ये देखो सब ऐसे ही पड़ा है. I have a lot of people coming in today. I have the water purifier guy coming in. I have the gas guy. I have the laundry guy. I have Taylor to put up the curtains. As you can see, we are living like this. We will have to live if we don't get curtains today, but the aim is that I'm going to try and figure out a lot of things today so Ankur and me can move in, say, by Friday. If nonetheless, today is Wednesday. Monday was when our truck really landed from Gurgaon to Bangalore. My car has also come, so that's like a big savior, so that we can do a lot of things. Currently what I'm doing is I'm just waiting for my mic to charge because there's some content I need to shoot for work. So once I'm done with that is when I'm going to get started with all of this. तो मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ बाद में. मतलब ये देख लो आप हाल क्या है. हमने फिलहाल सब चीज़ें यहाँ डंप करवाई हुई है. दिस इज़ बेसिकली आवर स्नीकर्स, आवर क्लोथ्स, some important stuff, makeup, bags, all of this. This is something that we'll have to organize ourselves. So we don't have a choice. But a lot of things they helped us with. My God, we have such a huge package. Okay, I'm so excited to open this package that we have just received from Ankur's beautiful sisters and his bhabhi Nupur. Like, they've sent us a whole lot of love, and especially when you're in a new city and you get to receive something like this, it's amazing. The feeling is too good. Thank you so much. I'm going to wait for Ankur to open these. And here we are the next day at Starbucks to enjoy our morning coffee before we start our day. Coffee के बिना दिन शुरू ही नहीं हो पाता है. So that is that. And मेरी vlog end करना भूल गई. So see you next time and hope you had a good time. Ciao.